So here's how to add your contact information to the lock screen of your iPhone, so that in case you leave your iPhone somewhere, maybe you forget it somewhere, or you drop it somewhere and someone picks it up, they can be able to see your contact information on the lock screen of your phone and then contact you, maybe to try and give you back your phone. So to do this, we're going to need a lock screen widget, but the default lock screen widgets in iOS 16 don't have a text widget. So to get a text widget, we'll have to first unlock the phone, go to the Apple App Store and find an app that accepts text widgets. Now my favorite one is this one called Any Text. So just go to the search function and search any text and then search. This is the app I want to use, this specific one. Just go ahead and install that app onto your phone. And with the app installed, you can either tap on open to launch it, or you can launch it from the home screen. Now, if it's the first time, of course, they're going to welcome you. Just tap on get started. And then let me just go back one step. And as you can see, this app lets you create up to 8 widgets. Okay, so let's go ahead and create the first widget and put in our contact information. Now the contact information is either an alternative phone number or an email address. Of course, we don't want to put the phone number inside this phone because this will be the phone that's lost or forgotten somewhere. So you want to put another phone number that you might have or an email address. For me, I think the easiest thing is an email address. So let me just type an email address here and then tap on done. So that's my email address, the one I want to add to the lock screen. Like I said, you don't have to use an email address. You can use an alternative phone number. So there's the email address on my widget 1. So now with that ready, I can now go to the home screen editor. So I'll just go to the home screen, to the lock screen, make sure my phone is unlocked, then long press on the lock screen to initialize the editor, and then tap on customize, and then tap on lock screen. So now I can add widgets to the lock screen. So all I need to do is tap on the widget section, find any text app, tap on that, and then choose the widget. Okay, now I'd already put it there, so there it is. You can now see I have my email address on the lock screen. So if I tap on done again and then exit, you can now see there's an email address on the lock screen of my phone. So if someone comes across my phone, even though they cannot unlock the phone, they can see an email address, they can write me an email, and we can be able to communicate and maybe try and get my phone back. So that's basically how to add your contact information on the lock screen of your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.